Morning all, welcome to video 7 of my journey on ClickASnap. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm still going to go through the figures and everything, but I'll do that later. But I'm going to do a direct comparison between ClickASnap and Flickr. Costs, pitfalls and all that rubbish. Anyway, so everyone knows that basically Flickr turned around and said, from now on, if you have 1,000 photos on there, you're going to be charged, or you're going to have to pay $49.99 a year. So how it works, I mean, I don't have a lot on there at all. But what do you get for your $49.99? Well, this is what you get. You get 2 months compulsory Creative Cloud photography, bits and other bobs. I mean, you can go and have a look at yourself. But that's if you have 1,000 photos on there. So say you're like me, you have an external hard drive. I mean, I don't use Flickr a lot. As you can see, I only have about 11 or 12 photos on there. I've never got away with the site. I don't like it. I don't like the way it's set out. But that's me. Other people will be using it and loving it and getting like loads of links and clicks and likes and whatever they do on there. Anyway, the thing is, if you have a load of photos on there and you keep uploading, it's going to cost you money unless you take photos off. So the ones that you don't see or people don't like or whatever, you can take them off and still keep under your 1,000 photos. If you go over and you say, right, alright, I'm quite happy paying $49.99 a month, a year for Flickr, fine, do that. But what do you get for that? Like I said, you get a few bits and bobs. You know what I mean? You get these, you get 20% off here, you get Pixie. I mean, you can go onto Pixie's website and download and put photos on there, and they'll sort that out for you anyway, regardless. That's neither here nor there. 20% off Lightroom presets, I suppose. 50% off SmugMug. That's website hosting and stuff like that. I mean, it's up to you. Some people might look at it and go, "Ooh, great! Yeah, get this, get that, excellent." Personally, I wouldn't pay it, but that's me. As a direct comparison, ClickASnap, I'm paying. I mean, if you pay yearly subscription, let's have a look. If you pay a yearly subscription, you know what I mean? You're talking, if you pay it annually, it's £4 a month, so it's £48, so it's cheaper straight away. And the benefits of ClickASnap, well, you get paid for views, that's one, straight away, alright? You don't get paid a lot for your views, but you get paid for views. You can also sell on ClickASnap, of which I do. Up to now I've sold 2 downloads at a £5 each, minus commissions obviously. So, alright, you're not making a lot of money, but you're making something. The difference between ClickASnap and Flickr for me is, if you're directing people to Flickr and you're posting on social media and stuff like that, and they're going to have a look at stuff and they think, oh yeah, it's quite nice, that, lovely, brilliant, can I buy it? No, you can't buy it straight off Flickr, not as far as I'm aware anyway. You might be able to, I don't know. Like I say, I don't have that type of account. Or you might have links there to your own websites and stuff, that's fine. Here, directing to one place, can you sell on here? Yes, you can. Product wise, there's lots and lots of products. I mean, there's all sorts you can sell on there. At the moment, I know for a fact they're waiting on or hoping to get the new product auto listings up and running. Hopefully that's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. I'll probably do a review on that when it does come out. So the differences between Flickr and ClickASnap. Well, you can only upload 1,000 photos and then you've got to pay for it. And that's on the free account. Difference between that and ClickASnap on the free account, you can only upload 7 photos a day on ClickASnap. It's alright, 7 photos a day, but as soon as you upload your first photo, it gets viewed and it qualifies, it'll get you money. That's the be all and end all with it. Do the free account, try it as a direct comparison. List it on Flickr, list it on ClickASnap, see which one you get paid for, because you ain't getting paid off Flickr, that's for sure. The subscriptions on here, you can pay it, you don't have to. You're not getting pushed into it. You don't get adverts saying, oh, come and do this, come and do that, subscribe to this, subscribe to that, we'll make you a load of money. It's not that type of site for me. I don't think I've ever seen an advert on it anywhere that should basically says, oh, upgrade to this. Like I say, this is what you'll get. You'll go onto it, go into the settings, it's up to you if you want to upgrade or not. There are your 4 options. Simple as that. It tells you exactly what you're going to get from them. The other thing I like about this site is basically that. Watermarkless image protection technology. I've tried this. I've tried right clicking, I've tried screen grabbing, and I cannot copy an image from my site on here. On Flickr, I suppose I don't know if you could. Let's have a quick look. Can I right click it? Yeah, I can. Copy a link, print. You know what I mean? You can select all, print, read. So I can, if I wanted to print that, I could now. Maybe that's because it's mine. I don't know. Like I say, I don't use it a lot. In fact, I don't use it at all. I'll probably end up flaming closing it down. But hey, anyhow. Like I say, I don't even know how to get off of this now. Ah, there you go. Back to photo stream. So, advantages and disadvantages. For me, if you pay your $49.99 for ClickASnap, you're allowed to put over 1,000 photos on there. If you don't pay anything, you're allowed to put up to 1,000 photos on there, and people can view them. You can send people to them. Whether or not you can put links to them to where you're selling the photos or anything like that, I have no idea. I would have thought you should be able to do something, you know what I mean, add comment. I would have thought, you know what I mean, you should be able to put links and stuff on there. But advantages for ClickASnap, on the free one, 7 uploads a day, you get paid for the views. Alright, it's not a lot, it's like 0.15 of a cent, you know what I mean, but it adds up. It does add up, and to show you it adds up, I'm going to show you basically what I've earned over the last, I think it's 83 days or something stupid like that. Let's have a look. So, here we go. Right, what are we on? Day 83. So, day 83, I'll run through the usual stuff. I've got 609 photos on there, 261 people are following me. I've had 4,300 plus views, 2,800 plus likes, and I've made $4.11 from views alone. Alright, it's not a lot. Don't get me wrong, this isn't a quick get rich quick scheme, by no means. But for what's coming up in the next 4 to 6 months, I think this could turn out to be better, in my opinion, than Redbubble is, because the products that they're getting in are going to be so similar to Redbubble. Yes, they're going to have t-shirts, they're going to have everything you can think of. Whatever's on Redbubble for sale at the moment, from what I've been told, is going to be on ClickASnap. So you'll upload your image, And basically, as it does on Redbubble, it'll populate it to all of the products that it's going to be on sale. So if someone wants a product of an owl on a t-shirt, you can get the owl on a t-shirt. It's going to be alright, it's going to take a while to get through, and maybe it won't kick off as big as what others have done, but the difference between this and Redbubble is, say there was two platforms next to each other, Redbubble, ClickASnap. They both had the same products. People were looking at both of them, but weren't buying. At least when they're on ClickASnap, you're getting paid for views. Now, yes, you're not getting paid a lot. I keep on stressing this. It's not a quick get-rich-quick scheme by any means, but you're getting paid for views. Now, do it on a free account. Do it however you want to. Things are going to change. There you are, 411. I've earned. So, there you go, kids. Direct comparison, Flickr and ClickASnap. Which one's the best? Or which one would you pay the $49.99 to? Personally, I don't think I'd pay for Flickr because it doesn't give me anything at the end of it, apart from people who are going, oh, that's nice, oh, that's nice. Like I say, you might be able to sell on there. I don't know. I've never looked into it. But you're not getting paid for views. And that's the big thing for me. It's alright, people looking at things, even on my own website. I might get 10 views an hour. I don't. Well, I wish I did. But say I got 10 views, you know what I mean, in a day, and they looked at five photos each. You know what I mean? I'm not getting paid for that. Whereas on ClickASnap, I'm getting paid for people just viewing my images. And with, obviously, the Pro account or the seller account, you can also sell them images. So there you go. Just to let you know which image I sold, it's that one. Went out light painting the other day with my mate. We were going to go up to Penshaw Monument and do a bit up there, but it wasn't very nice weather, so we just decided to find a tunnel, hence this one. But we had some fun. We did. We had some fun. And then we went to, I can't even remember where it was now. But yeah, all good and having fun. But anyway, boys and girls, that's it. Direct comparison between Flickr and ClickASnap. My opinion, what would I pay the 40, 50 quid to? ClickASnap all day of the week. For the simple fact is I know I'm going to get something back from me £50. Like I say, it's not going to be a lot, but I've also got a chance of selling stuff on there. Download, prints, cups, gifts, mouse mats, and more coming. So give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Laters, guys.